I'm back again with Maddie.
Hi.
She made this.
Wait.
Ah! It dripped.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
Ah!
Fudgles.
Sorry, guys.
Hold on, I have to find my camera. Okay, where the hell? Here, you get it. I can't.
There you go.
Now, explain what you think it is. Explain what you know's in it.
A dog biscuit. It's the main course, a dog biscuit. There's cheese, there's tomatoes, there's barbecue sauce. I don't know what that white stuff is.
There's a whole bunch of butter, there's jelly, or should I say blackberry jam, the best. There's some, wait, I'll be back.
Woot woot. I hate tomatoes, I hate dog bones.
Did you say barbecue? I know, there's barbecue sauce, there's oregano, and,
whatever this is. What is this?
cinnamon sugar.
Ooh, I like cinnamon sugar.
Yeah, well, it's on it, so. Alright, so.
My phone is still out. I'm sorry.
You can't stop and text in the middle of video.
I'm sorry. It was important. No, that really wasn't for Patrick, so I don't give a crap.
Eat it. Come on, eat it.
Okay. I gotta get my tea here. I need my throw up napkin.
You said I need my throw up napkin. I freaking love you.
Babe working that thing out right there. That ain't working out so well. Alright.
Wait, show the users.
Smells.
Show the bottom of it.
There's the back. There's the front. Look. Perfect shot.
I'm so clever.
This is really unhealthy.
Unhealthy? You're eating a dog biscuit. You said it's unhealthy. There's only 2 calories in a dog biscuit, ma'am.
There's a bone of butter on there.
Okay, 3 calories.
There's barbecue sauce. There's a
tomato.
I can't fight into it.
I don't know.
I'm getting surgery on my teeth. How am I gonna do this? Bleeding?
No.
What was that? They came out of my mouth.
It's not blood. This is good at that. Okay, lick all the stuff off and then bite it.
Am I dripping?
A little bit.
Okay,
It's okay, you can just lick it up later. Go! All the way up the bone. No! You have to eat the tomato. Eat the tomato.
I'm taking a little bit of butter off.
Eat the tomato.
Ow!
What does that taste like?
Like it.
Now show your users. Please, people, subscribe to me. You'll love it.
She's pretty majestic.
Yes.
Peace keys?
Are you done?